Hi, my name is Steen. Welcome to Contoro. Grilling season is officially open and it's time to put some corn on the cob on our grill. But let me show you a little twist to make it more like elotes. Elotes are a street food in Mexico and they're basically corn on the cob, except that they spread mayo and crema over them, sprinkle it with chile, lime, and then dip it in a cotija cheese. Obviously I'm in Belgium, so getting cotija cheese is super difficult. Not just that, but even crema we cannot get. So I'm going to show you a little twist that's still going to be super delicious and is bound to wow your guests. And what do we need? Not much actually. I've got some mayo, I've got some chile chipotle in adobo sauce, and I've got an aged cheese. If you can get a manchego, a pecorino, a parmesan, those are the type of cheeses that you want to use for this dish. Now, what do we need to do? Get these on the grill first, and then I'm gonna make the mayo. Alright, so the thing you want to do is you want to peel back the husk. And I want to make sure that all of these fibrous strands, the hairs, are also back. I'm just gonna pull them off as well. And then this goes onto a hot grill. Alright, those are outside on the grill. Let me show you how easy it is to make this. I'm gonna add 3 chipotles in adobo. If you want more, you can do that. It makes it a little bit more spicy. And then I'm going to take 3 spoons of mayo. Blend that up. Now you see how easy that was? All we have to do now is wait for the corn to be ready, and then we can spread this on there. Alright, I just got these off the grill, and if you really want to go for the Mexican experience, just take one of these skewers and push it in the back. So I've got these skewers in Mexican style. Now I'm just going to brush them with our chipotle mayo. Just cover them nicely so they get a great coverage on all sides. Now last but not least, the thing we got to do is just sprinkle our cheese over the corn. So once that whole corn cob is covered, the only thing you need to do is just serve it with a little wedge of lime to your guests, and they're gonna love it. Just don't do like Jason Derulo. Do not put this on a grill and try to eat it like that. It does not work. A super simple way to spice up some elotes on your backyard grill. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It helps others find these recipes. As always, you can find the recipe via the link in the description below, or just go to contoro.be, like our Instagram, like my Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios. Fuck, that's so good. Well, man.